Hey folks, this is Scott at the XFed Homestead. Well, today we're going to make raised beds. This is a new project for me because I promised myself last year that I would do something about my awful strawberry beds. I'd been abusing my strawberries for a couple of years now, and I decided rather than in-ground plantings, I'll make nice raised beds and get brand new strawberry plants to repopulate those beds. So that's what we're going to do today. So let's get to work. Now, a few weeks ago, my buddy Roger and I took his new trailer out to the sawmill. We have a local sawmill here on the North Shore of Boston. It's run by Eric Heitz, and Eric has his sawmill operation right behind a local tree service company. So it's very convenient for him to get new logs, and he can pretty much get you anything you want. So he's in Essex, Massachusetts. Eric was a great guy. We rolled up onto his place and I had placed an order, and he gave me some beautiful rough sawn 2x12 pieces of lumber, which are a true 2 inches by 12 inches. So I asked for 2x12s. They're probably a little over 12 and a half feet, maybe 12'10", some of them from what I did a quick measurement. So I'm gonna cut those down to 12 and a half feet if I can get it, and make 4-foot by 12 and a half foot boxes, and I'll put 2 rows of strawberries in each one of them, and I'll make a total of 8 of them. So we're gonna have a ton of strawberries, probably not this year, but definitely next year. I'm gonna let the root systems grow this year. And so that's what we're gonna do today. It's time to saw them up and put them together and get this project started. You want to get a sandwich? That sounds like a good idea. Well, I just realized that in order to get the next bed in, I'm gonna have to move this pole right here. So I'm gonna have to pull that out of the ground. I know it's not cemented in, but it has been in there for a dozen years or so. So I'll give it a shake and see what happens. Well, that bed's done and looks pretty good. So let's do one more for today, and I think that'll be enough. And I'll consider that a win. If we get more done, that sounds good too. I had some issues with my microphone, so I took it off, and we'll do the best we can. Well, I'm pretty happy with those two beds. They are 12.5 feet long each, so that's going to provide a lot of room for strawberries. And the disadvantage is they are heavy, especially greenwood that's freshly cut. But they look great, and I'm real happy with them. Only 6 more to go. But that's all I'm going to do for now. I've got a few other things I got to get to in the garden, so I'm going to take a break from here and finish the rest of the beds later in the week. It's going to be rain off and on. It's held off thus far, but you can see the thunderclouds in the distance. They've been coming and threatening all day. So I don't know exactly how it's going to go, but I'll be out here getting these done as soon as I can. This is Scott at the XFed Homestead. We'll see you next time.